Let's take a look at graphing equations in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form of an equation, spelled slope-intercept, tells us two really important things. One, whatever this value is our slope, and whatever this value is our y-intercept, meaning where we hit the y-axis. So let's take a look at this first problem. A function with a slope of 2 passes through the point 1, 3. So we had some important information. We have a coordinate at 1, -3, which means I'm going to plot a point at 1, -3, and x is the 1, y is the -3. I also need to take a look at my slope. My slope was 2. A slope of +2 tells me I'm going to move up 2 to the right 1. Let's take a look at graphing this. So I'm going to plot my point at 1, -3. And then I need to follow my slope, which was up 2, up 1, 2, to the right 1. I'm going to plot another point. Let's try it again. Move up 1, 2, to the right 1. I can plot another one. Up 2, to the right 1. And I can connect my points with a line. And we just graphed our equation. Now we're going to try graphing this equation. Again, this equation is set up in slope-intercept form. So that means I can easily identify that that's my slope and that 4 is my y-intercept. That means one of my coordinates is 0, 4. The y-intercept is always at 0 because that's the only way that it sits exactly on the y-axis. So our x and y, make sure you're going to 0 on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis. Our slope is -1/3. That means once I've plotted that point, I need to go down 1 and to the right 3. That -1 is what tells me I'm moving down 1, and that +3 is what tells me I'm moving to the right 3. So let's go graph it. I'm going to plot a point at 0, 4, at 0, 4. And my slope is telling me that I need to decrease by 1, move down 1, and then add 3, move to the right 3. So let's do that. I'm going to decrease by 1 and then go to the right 3 times and plot another point. Let's try it again. I'm going down 1, decreasing by 1, and going to the right 3 times. I'm adding 3 in the x direction. These blue tally marks were just to help me graph, so I can erase them. I'm going to connect my points with a line, a straight line. And now I have my equation. And you can see that our y-intercept, that 0.04, we can see it right here, our y-intercept. The y-intercept always sits on the y-axis.